Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a new call on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the calls button down below, which is the second option. Here, click on create a call button in the upper right corner of the screen, mark the telephone and a plus icon. Then you should enter your phone number into the second box after or having chosen your country in the first bar. Here you have a list that you can choose from. You can also use the search bar at the top, then type in the number, and then you should select either voice call or video call that you would like to make. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.